graduated from?
So overall, I think that's your fate.
You in? Receive it.
Get out my way now. I'm trying to be productive.
Are
just
you?
Sitting there? Why you just sitting there doing nothing?
Okay.
Put light on. Oh, there we go. Might change that light. It's a little dull. So the guy gonna be here in the morning to do the floors. Obviously not the same guy that did the last house. Man, I don't know if your eyes is different than mine, but you don't see all these dark spots in the ground. Once again, you got poly splashed on the damn wall. What the f, man? You got the edges of the baseboard all messed up. You're supposed to put tape on them so you don't mess them up. This room got these dark spots everywhere. Hallway got dark spots everywhere. If I see him again, I'm gonna swing on him. Stop answering the phone. But man, I told these guys, bro, to stop putting all this goddamn paint on the floor. I even bought the paper, put down the paper, so it wouldn't get on the floor, and they still got paint on the floor. Like, goddamn. Put this in the damn ground. You should have cut all these. Don't nobody use pavement no more. Okay, bathroom, straight. Love them colors. Kitchen. I'm gonna add, put the stove over there. I'm gonna buy another cabinet to go above the stove and one above the refrigerator. It's gonna go over there. Yeah, I think once them floors get done, it's gonna be fly. How's it going?
You got a bunch of nails in here.
Ooh, kill it. Oh, for real?
Yeah, there's a ton of nails here.
I didn't even realize.
Yeah.
Oh, I see them. Oh yeah, okay, I see them now. All these. Damn, I wonder why they do that. I thought they used the little side finishing nails to go for the hardwood floors.
That's usually what they do, but if there's a problem with the floor, then they might just go ahead and like tap it in. I ain't never seen it where they use this many nails, so
yeah.
You know, this is like excessive, so they were probably getting some creeps and stuff in the floors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. They in your way?
Just a little bit, but I can work.
I'll tell them.
The drain.
The main drain?
The main drain here is broken. It's the drain. Because when I changed the new lines for that, but the drain is broken somewhere.
So what I gotta do?
I'm gonna put in new lines.
Oh, that's it?
Make it one line here, new drain,
so
and new drain in another side.
So you gotta break the wall?
No.
Oh,
The cabinet. Because last time you tell me put in the sink, never demolition of the wall. So the main pipe is broken.
So you gonna do it what, tomorrow or what?
No, today.
Today? Well, can y'all, like, cause I ain't wanna be in his way, but
Oh, so this guy.
about to do the floors, yeah. Huh?
It's not taking long.
Oh, okay. What's up? What's that? That's for the sink?
I need to put in a new line. Only the hot water. But no, I need to put a new line inside the sink. One line for the sink, for the kitchen, and for the sink. And this one is fucking very bad. It's very rough inside, so I need a cut. Cut it here, put a new one.
How much is that?
New drain.
How much is that?
Only pay me. This guy is $200.
Two?
Yeah. And then when I say the receipt, Let me go by the stops and I save it in the seat. Okay?
Okay. Over here, this has to have a shut off.
Yeah, I need to put it shut up because no, I have. I need to only shut up in the cold water.
You sure?
Yeah, only cold water, no hot water. If you want the hot water, I put it in.
I don't care. I just want to make sure it passed inspection.
Yeah, it's only the thing I put it in the cold
Okay.
water.
All right. Cool. He said that's only gonna take about 30 minutes, but the rest of the work is in the basement, so they'll be out your way.
Okay. All right,
But if
this
you,
area here,
we're here.
you know I can't put the sander on that.
This,
That's like an old adhesive, so it's just gonna gum the paper up.
so what do we gotta do?
So I got a scarifier with a diamond head that I gotta put on it. That'll hopefully I still got some use out of it. That's what I gotta do over there. And then because of how it is, I can't get the sander in there. I gotta cross sand it.
So
Typically you wanna go with the grain.
all I ask is that if it's gonna be mold, just let me know.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit more.
All right, let me call the carpet guy, see if it's cheaper just to put carpet in that little hallway area. Cause he want an extra $1.50, but I'ma still have to get carpet on there. Carpet.
Danny,
How's it going?
what's up, buddy?
All right, I got some measurements for you.
Okay, go ahead. What are they?
Okay, so the hallway is 61 inches by 35 inches.
You did it by inches? Okay, 61 by 35.
I'm gonna go check the option now. I'll be back.
Okay, cool. All right, yeah. Yeah, inches. And then the steps is 34 by 9.5 inches, and it's 10 steps.
Okay.
And then the second landing is 76 by 32 inches.
Got it. The 61 by 35 is a landing or a hallway?
It's like a little hallway.
Okay. Look, 440 carpet pad labor installation.
440 carpet. Okay, so 440.
I mean, you can paint them. I mean, carpet looks nicer, but yeah, you can paint it. What, are you flipping it or renting?
I always flip, man. I don't do no rentals.
Oh, then I'll do carpet. I want to see them.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Give me about 10 minutes. I'm hit you back.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Yeah, big fella. That's how it's supposed to look. What you staring in amazement for? We done had floors done before. And he did the hallway. I guess. I don't know. I was gonna say too, those like cable, you can just cut them if they in your way. Those you know, them cable cords, they in your way, you just cut them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I ain't. Don't nobody use cable no more. Not that I know of. I like the light color, the natural color.
Me too.
I hate that dark color stuff. I mean, in big houses it look good, like 4,000 square foot homes maybe, but in these I like it.
Yeah. I would suggest throwing the jack bean stain on this.
What is that?
That's the stain that I used. Oh, I didn't show you.
Nah.
The other house that I did. So remember these floors that I showed you?
Oh,
That's the
yeah.
job from last week.
Yeah. Oh.
Jacobean does a pretty
I think we did
decent
that to a
job.
countertop before. But how much? That's extra though, right? How much is that?
What's your square footage here?
I think you said it was like 600 or something. 500, 6. Oh yeah, because you didn't do this area, so
Yeah.
I forgot what that was.
429, so it would add 400.
Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. My kids got to eat groceries this week. I got 8 of them.
You got 8 kids?
Yes.
Damn. I don't see no gray on your beard.
What? Oh, I cut it low, but it's there. Yeah.
I was about to say, you doing all right.
Man, listen, them groceries been killing me.
Yeah,
2,000 a month, damn, or more. Yes. Okay, so today, house is basically done. I just need to put these 2 cabinets up and It was issue with the, where's that? Oh, issue with, it had a leak. So they fixed the leak. And I ordered this faucet to go with the, you know, the decor, you feel me? The gold boy matches the handles and whatnot. And so I'm gonna put these two up above the stove. Stove going right here, so these gonna go over there. Freshly refinished hardwood floors. Check the floors out. All right.
All of this is from EBS.
From who?
EBS.
What the hell is EBS?
Easy deal.
Just the floors. The top, the cabinets is from Z. About right here. To go in here, see the finished product. Somebody go take some pictures. See if I gotta cut somebody up. You feel me? Let's go.
Yeah.
Now you see the difference between these hardwood floors and the other ones? Much better.
Yeah.
I want to choke this out here.
Choke the who?
The guy who did the last hardwood floors. These look so much better. Shout out to Zach.
Okay, Zachary.
Zachary did his thing
All right.
for the low.
Yeah.
It's probably just dirty.
But I mopped it.
Yeah, they came back and did some more work.
We're gonna need full chains. Some of these full chains don't work.
Oh yeah, new pull chains, Flores, if they don't. Just dirty. I'm gonna have Terry come do this.
I had just mopped this with my hard work. I ain't know what this stuff is.
This problem gives a character. Yep. Basement. I'm about to have my mans come. About to have somebody come clean the basement. Not much really to see down here. Bunch of junk.
We're gonna need full chains. Some of these full chains don't work.
Oh yeah, new pull chains, Flores, if they don't work. This is a nice basement. Anyway, we out. Another one done. About to put this bad boy on the market. All the lights off. These bills high around here. DTE be tripping.